welcome back to my channel. Today is my camera review video. I'm not a super genius about cameras. I'm very inexperienced, so what I decided to do was do a side-by-side on my new Canon. We're outside, nature. My new Canon Powershot SX 530HS. It's a mouthful, but that's what we're recording with right now, and I will compare it to what I've been recording with, which is my iPhone XS, iPhone XS or iPhone XS, whichever you want to call it. So we'll do a comparison to see which one looks the best. So let's see if this camera was worth it, or let's see if this iPhone is worth all the money. However you want to look at it, if you want to see which one looks better, keep on watching. Hey guys, okay, so this is how I normally film in my room, usually at nighttime or in the evening time. It's daytime right now, but I have blackout cameras, so that's, you know, manipulating the sunlight with my lights on in the room and a ring light. So this is my with the iPhone, so this is my normal filming. So this is how I wanted to start off, to show you guys what it looks like. And now I'm going to show you a side-by-side of this same room, same scenario with lighting, with the iPhone as well as with the Canon. Also, I'll show you how it focuses on small items with this. So we'll go ahead and do that. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back on the iPhone and we're going outside because we're gonna do a zoom test. Not on me. We're gonna go ahead and zoom in on a palm tree. Now the palm tree is really, really far away. I know the iPhone's not great at zoom, but this will be a chance for me to show off the Canon's zooming features. This is it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's the furthest we're gonna get.
So I feel like the camera on that one.
Yeah. Okay, bring me my camera. Okay, so while we're outside, let's see how the Canon versus iPhone looks when you're doing people videos, movement videos, okay? So I'll go ahead and do a side-by-side with me. I'll have my daughter recording with the iPhone and with the Canon, and I'll show you guys what it looks like outside in different lighting. This is me in outside lighting with the Canon Powershot. I've got the sun coming right here, so it's probably casting a shadow. Do you see shadows on my face? Yeah, so that's probably not cute.
It'll give you better lighting. That's
Okay.
the thing. Yeah.
How does it look? Too much sun, right?
Yeah. There is.
It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so this is me in the sun. We'll do a comparison with the iPhone in a minute to see how that looks. Let's do one with us with our backs to the sun, okay? Okay. This is as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so this is with our backs to the sun, and then let's do, so this is complete shade. How does it look now?
Looks good.
Okay. All right, so let's try all those 4 spots with the iPhone. Okay, so we're back indoors. It's hot out there. We were on location in the wild jungle. And now we're back indoors where I like to be. So we're on the Canon now, filming back in my studio. One day, Lord, one day, right? All right, so tell me what you guys think. I, at this point right now, have not got a chance to review the film in full HD yet. I reviewed them both on the phone and on the camera monitor, and so far, in some lights, I like the iPhone better, and in some, I like the camera. I'm in my living room, my dining room area, and I don't have any studio lights at all. So I wanted to see how it looked. There was no need to bring the iPhone here because I've never been able to do this with the iPhone. It's way too dark unless maybe, excuse me, unless I use the iPhone flash. So this is what it looks like to me. How do I look?
You look, it's not darker at all.
It's not dark? Okay, that's what I really want to know. So this is, usually if I'm in here, I absolutely have to have the ring light. So I just wanted to do a check-in with this. And the picture quality on this thing, it's amazing. That is definitely A1. I knew that before I even made these videos. I've been taking pictures. I'll show you guys a picture that I took. Amazing quality. Phones have nothing on it, so that's a plus. So even if you're not a YouTuber, if you're just watching this video because you're looking for a camera to take pictures with, this one is definitely for you. If you're not looking for a high-tech DSLR, you know what I mean, but it's super good. And remember that zoom factor. So if you want to take pictures, check. YouTube videos, obviously, check. So I think this camera is really good, and it will it has fast uploads because I've done it already. Uploads like that. It does have Wi-Fi, so you guys are all set. Go ahead and get you a Canon Powershot. It's a long name. Canon Powershot XS. No. Canon Powershot XS530HS. Okay. It's a lot, but I'll make sure I link everything down below for you guys, and we'll go ahead and end the video here. I like the Canon. I think the Canon won. What do you guys think? You can go ahead and put your comments down below. I was trying to like give the iPhone some wins in certain situations. Now in some of the lighting, the iPhone looked very similar, but just not as good. It wasn't like horrible. But in other lighting, like especially outdoors, when we were doing the lighting half shade, like with our backs to the sun, that was bad. That was super bad. Sorry, iPhone. I love my iPhone, but no comparison at all. And obviously the zoom is good on this camera. That's what this camera is known for. So if you're looking for a camera with good zoom, you want to see those people over there, maybe take some shots of people while they're not looking, I don't know your life, then you'll definitely want to try this camera. This camera is amazing, and I'm really glad I purchased it. I am no expert with cameras, as I said in the beginning of the video, so I felt like this is my best way to give a great, honest review to you guys, was just doing the comparison. And it helped me out a lot too. I wasn't completely sure that it was, you know, totally gonna be better, and now that we see it is, it's a win. So let's go ahead and get to talking in the comments. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Just doing the comparison. Chase? Really? Quiet! Quiet for another few minutes. Yes, son.
Right here.
Hi.
She's doing something.
Okay.
Don't come over here.
Chase.
Hi.
He's burping.
It's so ridiculous. Okay.
I want $5. I want some dollars. I want some
Bazoom.
$5. Mom.
So that's that.
Mommy.
Voila. What?
Do I get some money?
Okay.
What do you need some money for?
To buy something.
To buy what?
To buy something.